Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be taking a look at the 5th generation HDHomeRun CONNECT Duo. For those who are already familiar with HDHomeRun CONNECT, there won't be much of a difference other than its physical appearance. And if this is your first time you're looking at HDHomeRun CONNECT, here's a breakdown of how it works. You take your over-the-air antenna, plug it into this unit, then this unit gets plugged into your network router or switch. Then you go to your preferred device and you install the app, and then you'll be able to stream to it. I'll drop down in the links below all the supported devices so you can see whether your device is supported or not. Now let's get to the unboxing and I'll show you how to get this all connected up. Okay, so here's the new HDHomeRun, and comparing it to the previous version, it's slightly thinner. It's got about the same footprint, and you'll notice that it no longer has the LED lights here. It's got a nice smooth plastic surface. Over here we have the tuner. Here is your Ethernet jack, and here's your power. And that's pretty much it for that. Nice sleek. It'll kind of blend in with everything. It was nice before having the LEDs here so you know how many connections were running at the same time, but that's not a big deal. Just put that aside. Next we have the quick start guide. Here is an Ethernet cable to hook up to your router. And here is the power cord. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get this all set up. Very straightforward, very easy. First thing you need to do is grab the supplied Ethernet cable, and then you'll go to the back here and you'll just plug it in there like so, and then you'll find an empty port on your router like that. Now you'll grab your coax from your antenna, plug it in the back here. And the last thing you'll need to do is grab the power supply and just plug it in here. Once you do that, this will turn on, connect to your network, and it will automatically scan in the channels. So if you want to scan in the channels yourself or just rescan for some reason, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go into your router's properties. Most routers are 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, something like that. You go into the router's interface, you look at the settings, and then look for the IP of your HDHomeRun. Once you jot down the IP address, open up your favorite web browser and just type it in. So here we are now at the HDHomeRun interface, and here you can see right away it gives your model number and your device ID as well as the firmware. Over here is your channel lineup, and when you click on this is where you go to scan in your channels, and you can just hit detect channels up here, and obviously you can see over here there's the list and the quality listed on the side. So let's just hit detect channels. And we can see it found 15 channels here, and we'll just hit back. So here we have the tuner status, and when someone is connected to your HDHomeRun, it will give the information on the channel that they are watching as well as a client. So as we can see here, a tuner 0 channel shows that it is working, so we'll just click on tuner 0. And here's the signal strength, 76, your signal quality, the rate that it's currently streaming at, and as well as the IP of the client that's accessing the channel. Just click back. Here we have the system status. It gives once again your model number, your device ID, and the IP of the device. And here's your system log of the events that are happening on your box. The installation instructions here just takes you over to SiliconDust to the installation instructions, exactly what it says. And lastly, here we have our firmware upgrade. And my box is brand new, so it's in need of a new firmware upgrade of 2017-12, so December 8th of 2012. So I'm just gonna click over here, install and reboot. And we can see that the upgrade is in progress. Now we can see that the firmware is up to date and the firmware version has changed up here. So that's it for the installation of your HDHomeRun, as well as how to go and check the various options within the web interface. Next, we're going to take a look at the Android TV application and see how it looks. Okay, here I am in my Android TV box, and I've already pre-installed my HDHomeRun software. I'm just going to click on it there, and it will automatically detect my HDHomeRun that is on my network currently. And there's all the channels that scanned in. And there we go. It's playing just fine. If you go up to the very top, it'll give you a search feature. So if you want to search for a particular channel or show, you can type it in there. So let me type in TVO. On the top right hand side, it automatically went to the TVO channel. And there I flipped over. And now if you want to actually view the TV guide for this channel, all you have to do is go to the channel that you want and just press right arrow key on your keypad. And there we go. I believe it gives about 14 hours of an EPG here. And I love that it puts the little thumbnails there. It gives it a nice look to it. So here we'll just scroll down and we'll do the same thing. Here's all the time slots of what's going to be on. Over here on the stacked icon here on the bottom right hand side, which is highlighted in green right now, when you click on that, it will take it to the recorded DVR section. I unfortunately don't have a DVR subscription, but if you did, your recorded shows would show up in here. To the left of that would be your picture-in-picture, so you can see it's there on the bottom right hand side of your screen now. Just go back in there. Here's where you would zoom in. Here we have our closed captioning. And here's where you choose your audio under SAP. Hey guys, so that's where I'm going to end the video today. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them down below. If you like the video, slap a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.